Hello, 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 hello. This is Eddie from Kinda New to Baseball. I am unboxing today a Topps Heritage Baseball 2021 Megabox. This is going to be super interesting. I don't really do big boxes of openings, but Heritage is kind of like my favorite out of all the prints. I do like a lot of other ones, but these ones have like the timeless classic look. I like some of the cards. This is going to be a long one, I think.
I'm not sure.
Okay, Alexis, you're not sure, but I am sure that this is going to be fun. All right, so we're going to open some cards up. Hopefully everyone's having a wonderful Tuesday. The weather is looking beautiful. All right, here we go. Now this pack usually costs me around, like, I would say 55 to 60 bucks, from resellers. I don't know how it goes on like Walmart or Target, whoever. Target doesn't sell them anymore because some people want to be dumb and fight in Target over baseball cards or cards in general. But 50, 60 bucks for resale. I mean, I obviously paying much more than it should cost, but it's hard to find them in stores. So this is what we got. All right. So this brings 138 cards, 9 cards per pack. You do the math. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 packs in this wonderful box. So let's see what we get. We should be getting some autographs and some relics. That's what they say they have. So let's see what we get in this one. So I'm going to put some of the packs on the side over here so it won't be a distraction. Now I got my top loaders and my penny sleeves. 2 important things to have when unboxing. Also, I have my team bags as well, but that's for like shipping cards out or whatever or whatnot. You generally want to have your hands cleaned and washed, which I do. I can't wear like plastic gloves because it's bad for my skin. Like, it just makes me rack badly, but my hands are washed. Make sure you treat the cards as gentle as possible when opening them up. Also, when opening the packs, you want to just gently rip that part down and just go this way. I wouldn't grab it by the edges, but by the tab. Never by the edges, because you might damage the corners of the edges. So here we go. First pack. Let's see what we got. So we got the 2021 Rookie Stars American League, Tanner Hook and Sam Huff. That goes to the side. We have Boyhood of the Stars, Spencer Howard. We have Asdrubal Cabrera. We have Max Kepler. We have Sandy Alcantara. Amazing pitcher right now. We have Alex Verdugo. We have Jose Abreu. We have Danny Mendick. We have Juan Soto, one of my favorite players, obviously. He's got my last name. This one we have the 2021 Rookie Stars American League. We got Kebron Hayes and Jose Garcia. Kebron Hayes from the Pirates, he's a third baseman, and Jose Garcia shortstop for the Cincinnati Reds. So we're gonna definitely penny sleeve this one. So that one's for safekeeping. All right, next one. Next pack. Again, open it on here and just rip that top part up. These are a little bit easier to do that with. Some other packs I've seen, it's difficult to rip that tab out. You go to the opposite end when you can't do it from the other end and just rip it and it should work. All right, so let's see what we got here. With first one, we got Yu Darvish and his former team, the Chicago Cubs. We got Mike Yastrzemski, great outfield. We have Alex Bregman in action. We have Kyle Gibson. We have our Bubble Stars Bubblegum card. That is Reggie Jackson. Awesome. I always sleeve up those. It's a weird thing because you don't have a sleeve for these. So you just put them in a penny sleeve. And there you go. Okay, next one is Joe Kelly. Everyone loves him. Javier Baez. Got to represent for Puerto Rico. He's an amazing shortstop. We got Rookie Stars 2021, Ryan Mountcastle and Bobby Dalbec. Ryan Mountcastle is actually doing pretty good. He's picked it up recently, so I would say awesome card. And then this card, I never really know what to do with this card. The Cy Young card. Don't know what that's worth or what is that for. And I'm going to keep reminding you of the process because I've seen cards opened up on the corners, like touch the corners a lot. With these, you want to take this tab, rip it, and open that up like so. You see? Super easy. And look, it looks like the pack is brand new, right? No damage to the cards. All right, we got Charlie Morton. I forgot where he's playing right now. I think he's in the Braves. Yeah. We have boyhood photos of the Stars. Austin Riley. 2021 NL batting leaders. Juan Soto, Freddie Freeman, and Marcell Ozuna. We have John Means. He is pitching mean. He is amazing right now. We got Cam Gallagher. Do not know who that is. I am so sorry. We got Brian Anderson. Great third baseman. He also plays the outfield sometimes. Ronald Guzman. Josh Stalmont. Also with the Heritage, you sometimes get short prints and SPs, short prints, whatever you want to call them. And usually when you're looking for if this is a short print or not, there's a little bit of a saying on that little curve right here that would tell you if it's a short print. And there's different types of short prints for the Heritage. And they'll let you know. Most, like about 10% of the times, they don't let you know if it's a short print because they don't know either. It's sometimes a mistake print. So you might have to find that out on your own. But usually the guide is that there's a little word here that either says some kind of saying about what kind of short print it is. You can find more about that information online about short prints for Heritage. Sorry about that, guys. Had a little bit of a glitch. All right, so that's Pedro Severino. We got new age performer Ryan Mountcastle, who gets a sleeve because he is a rookie. We have Josh Bell. We have DJ LeMahieu. We have Jacob Stalling. And we have Sixto Sanchez. Sixto gets a sleeve because he is a rookie. Next pack. All right, we got Anthony Rizzo in action. We got Kyle Liu. Just hit a big bomb yesterday's game, along with Jared Kelenic. So he gets a sleeve because he's a rookie. We got Garrett Cole. We got rookie stars of the National League, Luis Garcia, second baseman for the Nationals, and we got Christian Pache from the Braves as the outfielder. We got Brendan Lowe. We got Julio Teheran. We got Howie Kendrick. We got Martin Maldonado. And we got Shohei Ohtani. All right, next pack we have going on. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got Anthony Santander. We got Evan White. We sleeve up Evan White. Why? Because he is a rookie. At least in this pack he is. All right. We got Shane Green. He just got re-signed just recently. We got 2021 Rookie Stars Mets. We got Ali Sanchez. And we got Franklin Clome. We got Oscar Mercado. We have Adam Wainwright. We have 2021 Rookie Stars for the Astros. We got Enoli Perez, Blake Taylor, and Taylor Jones. We have Josh Naylor. And we have Charlie Blackmon, who's in a big slump right now, which is very weird, but he'll pick it up. I believe in the back of the baseball card for Charlie Blackmon. All right. So let's see what else we got here. We got Max Muncy. We got Bo Bichette. We got James McCann. We have Jorge Soler. We have a Rod Carew Baseball Stars bubble thing. We bagged that up. We got Lance Lynn, who's pitching amazingly for the White Sox. We have Yandy Diaz. We got Brian Reynolds, one of my favorite outfielders right now, playing for the Pirates. And Bryce Harper. Hopefully he picks it up soon. Okay, all right. Next pack. We have Cole Calhoun. We have rookie Dylan Carlson. So we bag up Dylan because Dylan Carlson is a rookie. Okay. We got Scott Kingery. Flashback 1972. I haven't received a card like this. May hits 5th inning home run in New York return. We're bagging that up because that is Willie Mays. We got Kevin Gausman with the Giants with the surprising run they're having right now. We have Lucas Giolito, the ace of the White Sox. We have John Berti. We have Dexter Fowler. And we have Jose Ramirez. You think he's going to get traded at the trade deadline for the Indians? We don't know. Let's see what happens. All right. We got Patrick Corbin. We have Jackie Bradley Jr. in action. We have 2021 AL home run leaders. That is Luke Voit, Jose Abreu, Jose Ramirez, and Mike Trout. We got Luke Voit. We were just talking about him. We have Nomar Mazara. We have Ryan McBroom. Never heard of Ryan McBroom. We have Franmil Valdez. We have Tommy Malone. I don't know. We have Joey Gallo. He might get traded, they say. I don't think he's going to get traded. All right, we got Joe Adele. Rookie gets the sleeve. We got Nelson Boomstick Cruz. We got the Most Valuable Player Award. We have Sonny Gray. We have Nick Solak. We have Chad Cole. We have Jeff McNeil. We have 2021 Rookie Stars Blue Jays, Nate Pearson and Tom Hatch. Nate Pearson, maybe he'll start playing. He's injured still, I believe. We have Paul Goldschmidt in action. All right. Let's see what we got here. We got Jose Ramirez in action. We have Adam Eaton, who is now on the White Sox. We have Miggy Cabrera. We have 2020 World Series Game 1. That's Mookie Betts hitting a home run. We have Charlie Blackmon right there. We have Eloy Jimenez. We sleeve Eloy's up all the time. Sucks that he's injured. We got Mitch Moreland. We have Luis Severino, who's in Tommy John surgery right now, or recovering from it. Should be available very soon for the Yankees. Another arm in that pitching arsenal that's happening right now for the Yankees. We have Nate Pearson, who is a rookie. So we back him up. And we have one of my favorite personalities and hitters right now, Tim Anderson, in that beautiful print. All right, let's take a closer look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? All right. Let's bag that up. All right, we got three. After this pack, we got 3 more packs to go. So let's see what we got here. All right, we got Trent Grisham, who's doing pretty good so far. Is he? I don't know. I think he's injured, actually. We have 2020 AL postseason. Rays are the AL champs. We got Rio Ruiz. We have Wilson Contreras. We got Clint Frazier. We got Lucas Sims. We got Josh Lindblom. We got Austin Meadows. We have Correa hits Game 5 walk-off 2020 postseason. I'm going to put these other cards to the side for now. All right. That pack didn't have much there. So let's open up the next one. Let's see what we got here. We got Ivan Longoria. We got Yasmani Grandal. We have Blake Trinan. We have, a relic. We have Clubhouse Collection of Nick Markakis. He just retired. Wow. We were bagging that up. I feel like he could still play Nick Markakis. He's an amazing hitter. I feel like he had a couple of more seasons. We have Ketel Marte. We have Chance Sisco. We have Christian Walker. And we have Christian Yelich. He needs to come out of his slump badly, man. All right, next one. Is in action Cody Bellinger. Josh Donaldson. That's a weird pose. The bringer of rain. We got Freddie Freeman, one of the best first basemen, or if not the best first baseman. We got the little midget, Jose Altuve. Sorry, Astros fans, but still hold a grudge. We have the great one, Roberto Clemente. We sleeve up some Clementes all the time. All right, we got Matt Kemp. We have Mookie Betts again, Game 6, 2020 World Series. We have 2020 NL RBI leaders. That's Marcell Ozuna, Freddie Freeman, Manny Machado. 2 out of 3 are the Braves. Nelson Cruz in action. Last but not least, last one. Let's see what this one has. We got Justice Sheffield. We have Ryan Mountcastle, Boyhood Photos of the Stars. Sleeve that up. We have Jonathan Scope. We have Mike Minor. We have Harrison Bader. We got Tommy La Stella. Jose Quintana. Jose Peraza. And Jose Altuve. All right, so that was my opening of the Heritage 2021 Megabox. Like and subscribe to the page. I'll be opening up some more packs. I have plenty of more. I have more than this to open up. Definitely a lot more than that. Subscribe to my channel. Help support this. The more subscribes and likes I get, the easier it is for me to buy these packs and unopen them. Again, I just do personal collections, nothing more than that. But if you see anything you like in any of the cards I'm opening up, please hit me up. I have some pretty affordable prices. All right? Have a good one. Signing off from Kinda New to Baseball, Eddie Soto.